Good day, Grade 3 learners. Welcome to our Science 3, Quarter 4, Week 3, Day 3. Our topic for today is uses of earth materials. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. For the basis of our lesson, we have our A. Content Standard, B. Performance Standards, C. Learning Competencies, and D. Learning Objectives. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. Put on your thinking caps and get ready to explore. Today, we're going to observe, experiment, and discover how the world works. Let's review. What are earth materials? Earth materials, they are the natural non-living substances that form our surroundings. These are the building blocks of every environment. The four main earth materials are soil, rocks, water, and air. Materials by environment, we have for beach, mostly sand, soil, salt water, and shell. For mountain, mostly large rocks and thin air. For forest, rich dark soil and freshwater streams. Remember, if it is natural and not alive, it is an earth material. For our motivation, direction, identify the earth materials being described. Choose your answer from the box below. We have soil, water, air, rocks, and minerals. Number 1. Blank. I am the invisible gas that surrounds the earth. You need me to breathe. Number 2. I am the hard, solid material found on mountains. People use me to build houses. For number 3, I am the liquid found in rivers and oceans. All living things must drink me to survive. Number 4, I am the loose top layer of the earth. Plants spread their roots in me to grow. And for number 5, I am used to make things like salt, jewelry, and the metal in your coins. Here are the correct answers. For number 1, air. For number 2, rocks. For number 3, water. For number 4, soil. And for number 5, minerals. Lesson Purpose Intention. In this lesson, you will describe how earth materials are useful to humans. Lesson Language Practice. Fuel. Fuel is any material that is burned or used to produce heat or power. Cars need fuel to run. Factories use fuel to make things. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 3. Earth materials. Earth materials are non-living things that people use to create objects for everyday life. In this lesson, you will learn about how these materials are useful to humans. Look at the illustrations. Here are the examples of earth materials. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. In Part A, tell the name of the earth materials shown in each drawing. Choose from the following list. Is it rocks, water, minerals, or fossil fuels? Name the following pictures. In Part B, study the drawings and describe some of the uses of the given earth materials. For example, describe the use water for watering plant, rocks for building walls, minerals for making jewelry, fossil fuels for making cars run. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. How these materials like water, rocks, minerals, fossil fuels is used in everyday life. Water. We use water in many ways. We drink it to stay healthy, wash our hands and clothes, and use it to water plants. Water is also used for cooking and cleaning. Rocks. Rocks are used to build things like roads, bridges, and buildings. Some rocks contain resources such as coal, which is used to make energy. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like crude oil or petroleum and natural gas are used to make energy. We use them in our stoves to cook food, in cars and motorcycles to make them run, in power plants to make electricity. Minerals. Minerals are non-living materials found in the earth that make up rocks, soil, and sand. They are used to make things like buildings, jewelry, and even some foods. Example of minerals is salt. Salt is a mineral that is used to make food taste better. It is also used to keep our food fresh. Gold. Gold is a mineral that is shiny and strong. It is used to make jewelry, coins, and sometimes even in electronics like phones. Iron. Iron is a mineral used to make strong things like cars, tools, and even some of the buildings we see. Diamond. A diamond is a shiny hard mineral found deep in the ground. It is used to make beautiful jewelry like rings and necklaces, and because it is very strong, it is also used to cut or shape other hard materials. Making generalization and abstractions. You can now describe some of the uses of earth materials. Earth materials are very useful and help us in many ways every day. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and growing plants. Rocks are used to build roads and houses. Minerals are used to make tools and jewelry. Fossil fuels are used to make energy for cars, motorcycles, and other vehicles for transportation. Evaluating learning. Read each item carefully. Write the letter of the best answer in your notebook. Number 1. Which of these is a common use of water? A. For washing. B. For making plastic. C. For sewing clothes. D. For constructing buildings. Number 2. What are minerals used for? A. To cook food. B. To grow plants. C. To create jewelry. D. To make fossil fuels. Number 3. Which of the following is a use of rocks? A. To fuel cars. B. To build walls. C. To cook food. Or D. To produce electricity. Four. What is a common use of fossil fuels? A. To make paper. B. To make cars. To make cars run. C. To make plants grow. D. To make water clean. 5. How is water used in farming? A. To harvest fruits. B. To water plants. C. To wash clothes. D. To produce energy. Here are the expected answer. For number 1, A. For number 2, C. For number 3, B. For number 4, B. For number 5, B. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to be a grade 3 scientist. See you next time.